Hello, I'm Anjita again in Simply Vegetarian. I'm back with one of the most simplest recipes on earth, a self-raising flour. In baking, you must have come across recipes that call for the self-raising flour, and most of us might be living in places where we can't get hold of it easily. So the only option is either we need to buy online, which could be quite expensive or rather time consuming, or the only option is to prepare one at home with simply 3 ingredients. All you require is a bowl and a weighing scale. That's better if you have one. Measure 150 grams of all-purpose flour or Maida. It should be exactly 150 grams, which is a little bit more than 1 cup. Add in 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt together. Combine them all together and it's ready to be used, or it can be stored in a can for later use. That was as simple as that, and I'll be using this self-raising flour in my next video. So please subscribe and hit the like button. Till then, bye.